Hi everyone and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to create a Shopify custom coming soon page, and it is going to be pretty simple. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So first what you need to do is simply head over to your online store and then head over to your pages section, incorporate a new page, and that is gonna be add a page. Then here you can add coming soon and stuff like that. So you can see, you can type in here coming soon. So yeah, let me just fix these. Or what you can do is you can head over to your let me just discard this. You can head over to your search bar and search there for coming soon in Shopify App Store, and they're gonna be providing you different features related to that as well. So you can use this pre-launch builder and it is gonna give you this type of capability to incorporate your coming soon page in days and times. So yeah, that is it for this one, and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.